I know you're like a jukebox playing in the middle of the club. A hot night, baby, and I just can't get enough.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn. If you're new here, you should definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below because I post new videos literally all of the time. So I'm super excited for today's video because I'm going to be sharing with you guys my everyday skincare routine. Ever since quarantine and being just back at home in general, my skin has been awful, and I've recently got some new products that I've been loving and I've really seen a difference in my skin. So I wanted to share you guys the products that I've been using because they have really been helpful for me. So with all that being said, let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm going to be showing you my morning and night care routine, and then I'm also going to throw in some products that I use on a regular basis, like maybe 1 or 2 times a week, like exfoliators and masks and stuff like that. So before I do show you the morning and the night routine, I want to show you 2 products that I've been loving so much recently. So the 2 products that I've been loving recently are these 2 by TEAMI. This is the detox mask. It has green tea in it and matcha and lemongrass. And then this one is the vit-c tea infused serum. This has vitamin C and hibiscus in it. I've been loving these so much. So first, I use this one every night and day. I love TEAMI because all of their products are 100% natural. No preservatives, no bad chemicals or anything like that. So you know that you are putting good products on your face, because in a lot of skincare, they have really harmful chemicals and you just put them on your face and it actually makes your skin worse. But I have found when using this product, it has not. It smooths out my skin, makes it a lot more hydrated, and just clears it overall. So I've been loving this a lot. I have a code with them. If you go on their website and use code KAJ20, you can receive 20% off your entire purchase, and I love these products so much. Next is this TEAMI detox mask. I use this 1 to 2 times a week. It's just a light exfoliator and it has matcha, lemongrass, and clay in it. So you just put it all over your face. You leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then you wash it off of your face. I love this product because it is vegan, so you know you're not putting harmful chemicals, and also it is cruelty free. All of their products are cruelty free, so you know that they're not harming any animals either. So definitely use my code KAJ20, and I will be linking their website down below as well as these products so you guys can check them out because I love them so much. Alright, now I'm going to be getting into my morning and night routine. Like I did say, I do use the vit-c serum every morning and night, but I'm not going to like talk about that again since I already talked about it. So now I'm going to be going into my morning routine. So the first thing that I use is this Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser. I really do like this stuff a lot. I just put 1 to 2 pumps on my hand and just wash my face, and I just see that it really hydrates my face. So I really do recommend this product. I will link all of these products down below actually so that you can check them out, but I really do like this and I've seen a difference because if I'm being honest, before I did this whole skincare routine, I used to not do anything and my skin was like perfectly fine, but I found as I get older I'm getting more and more acne and that I needed to do something about it. So I used to never use cleanser. I know that's so bad, but I've recently been loving this stuff. So the next thing that I use is this Clinique toner. I really do enjoy this stuff a lot. So all I do is take a cotton pad and then wipe it all on my face, and even after I do it in the night and in the morning cleansing my face, this stuff still gets stuff off. It's actually so amazing. I love this stuff a lot. So if you have not checked this out, definitely go hit the link in the description and purchase you some because this stuff does help tremendously. After I do the toner, I will go in with the vit-c serum and I will put that all on my face. It just brightens and hydrates my face, and I just really love that. And ever since I started using it, I have seen a huge difference in my skin. After that, I will use the Ole Henderson Banana Bright Eye Cream. I love this stuff so much. Everybody raves about it and I truly know why. So what I do with this is I just put it under my eyes and then on my eyelids as well, because you don't want those to get wrinkly, and instantly my eyes are hydrated so much. Like I will go through the entire day with just my under eyes being so hydrated. It's amazing. So I definitely recommend this stuff if you have not tried it out. 100% hands down one of my favorite skincare products. So definitely check this out. Then lastly, in the morning, I will use some moisturizer. So this is the Renewed Hope in a Jar by Philosophy. It's just your typical moisturizer. I really enjoy it. I find that my face is very hydrated throughout the day, and that's what a moisturizer should do. So I really like this stuff as well. So that is all of my morning skincare. I know it's kind of a lot, but I've tried to use products that I really enjoy and that I found that have really helped my skin. So now I'm going to be moving into the nighttime routine. I kind of do a tad bit more just because I have a little more time to kind of take care of my skin at night. So we're just going to go ahead and hop into the nighttime. So again, I use this jelly, milk jelly cleanser from Glossier. I like it a lot. If I'm in the shower, I will use the Cetaphil moisture cleanser. I really do like that one too. I have that one in my shower, but I don't take showers every night. So if I don't take a shower at night, I will use this, and I really do find that this is amazing. So the next thing that I use is this Garnier Micellar Water. I really love this a lot. So what I do is I take my makeup off, I cleanse my face, and then I put this on, and it still gets product off. It's literally insane how many times you can wash your face and still not get all of the product off, but this truly does. So I definitely recommend this, and I will continue to use this in my skincare routine. It literally says even waterproof mascara just comes right off. Then I use these peel pads from Sephora. I just use this after I use the micellar water. I really enjoy these because they have it's kind of groovy, if that makes sense, and you just wipe it on your face and it just kind of exfoliates it a little, which I really enjoy. So I love these products, and I will also be linking these down below. After that, I will use the vit-c serum. I also really enjoy the Ole Hendricks Truth Serum. It's kind of the same as the vit-c serum from TEAMI because it has the vitamin C in it as well. They're kind of interchangeable. It depends on how I'm feeling which one I use, but I just wanted to mention this because a lot of people rave about this, and I also really do love this product as well. Next, I have this product. This is from The Ordinary. It is called Buffet Peptide Serum. I also really enjoy using this. I just put like literally half a pump on my finger, and you're only supposed to use this a few times a week. So I put a little pump and kind of dab it around my face, and I've just found that it's cleared my skin a lot as well. So I really do enjoy this stuff, and as you can see, I've kind of used a lot of it. And what I love about The Ordinary, it is such an affordable brand. So affordable. I think this was like $10, and they have such good reviews on Sephora. At night, I also moisturize. I just use the same moisturizer, the Renewed Hope in a Jar. Like I said before, it's really an amazing product. And then lastly, to finish everything off, I use the Mario Badescu Rose Water Facial Spray. This just kind of hydrates my face and just makes everything a lot better. So I definitely enjoy this stuff too. So yeah, that is all of the skincare that I use. I know I use kind of a lot of products, but I hope you found this video pretty helpful and insightful. If you liked the video, definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and the like button. It just simply lets me know that you're enjoying my content, as well as helping me grow my channel. So also don't forget to go follow me on all of my social medias. They'll be linked on the screen right here for you guys, and also down below for your convenience. So once again, thank you so much for TEAMI for sponsoring this video. I definitely love their products, and you should go ahead and use my code. It will be linked down below for you guys, as well as a link to all of the products that I've mentioned in this video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye!